Welcome to Yo Forex Premium. Today, we're reviewing the Gold Escobar EA V1.0 MT4, your solution for trading XAUUSD on MetaTrader 4. This EA is designed for high-frequency trading with precision, ensuring steady profits without unnecessary risk. To install, simply download the Gold Escobar EA and copy the EX4 file into your MetaTrader 4 Experts folder. Restart the platform, drag and drop the EA onto your chart, and you're ready to start trading. Looking at the backtest results, the Gold Escobar EA was tested from August 1st to 15th, 2025 on XAUSD. The EA showed $1,091.80 net profit with a profit factor of 20.78 and a maximal drawdown of $1,015. This is impressive given the expected payoff of $21.41 per trade. With 51 trades executed, it delivered solid performance, even in volatile market conditions. Here you can see the Gold Escobar EA in action. It made profitable trades with a total profit of $390.30, handling both buy and sell orders with accuracy. Ready to get started with Gold Escobar EA? Download it now for $225, discounted from the original $360. Join our Yo Forex Premium Telegram group, the latest updates, trading signals, and support. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading.